back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be giving you an empty tour of our new house, guys. We moved from our previous house and now we're in the new house. So guys, I can't wait for you guys to see it and I can't wait to decorate it. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is the entryway and this is just like off when you get into the house, and then on the first turn on your left is the living room area. It's a big spacious room. It has two big windows over there and it has a small window over here. This will be our living room. We're not going to have a TV in here, so this will be like if we have people coming over and they'll just sit in here. And then we come back to the entryway, and then over here guys we have the dining room. So this is the dining room. It's very spacious and beautiful, as you can see. And so this will just have our dining room, and this is what we're going to host. It has two big bay windows as well, which is really nice. And the dining room opens up to the kitchen. We have the kitchen table area here where you can, the breakfast area with two big bay windows. And we have the island here. We have a big kitchen island and you can put like 4 bar stools there, which I'm very excited about. I'm not happy that all the tones in the house are brown. I'd have preferred white or gray or even black. And guys, so this is the kitchen. It's really big and beautiful, and it's granite. The countertops are granite. It has a microwave. Nice. And also we have a 4-cook topper. I don't know, we have the stove is here. We have an oven. Yeah, and it has a lot of cabinets as well. And here's the fridge. The fridge, I like that it has the ice dispenser here because this place is super hot. And that's the freezer. And this other side, open. Wow, sure. And over here we have the main fridge. So it's enough storage, so it's a good size. I moved a little. Yeah, so this is the kitchen, guys. It's really big. These are just my boxes, like my Chanel bag and my LV bag. I had to bring them in because I didn't want the movers to move them. Yeah, and that's the kitchen, guys. It's big and spacious. I love it. I'm going to do a lot of cooking videos in here and you guys will see me get ready and stuff like that. And then over here, guys, we have the pantry in the kitchen, and this is where you keep your food. There's no light in here, but it's a big spacious pantry and I love it. I'm excited about that because the previous house we had that we're renting didn't have enough space and it didn't have a pantry. And this is the family room, guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is the family room. This is where we'll have the TV and all that stuff. I really love it. And then the family room. So yeah, I like that there's, you can look up there or you can see downstairs. You can see what the kids are watching. This is really nice, guys. I really love it. And then outside from the kitchen, it opens to a deck. It opens to a deck, which is screened in. Look at that, with a pond. That is so nice. I am so excited. And here we have a ceiling fan, and this is the deck. And then we have another small deck over there. And then you have stairs going down. And then over here, guys, this is just a hallway, that leads to, so here, that's from the family room. We have this over here, which is for like a closet for your coats. When you have guests, they can put their stuff in here and their shoes, and we can keep our shoes in there. And then on the other side is the bathroom, which is a big bathroom. Where's the light? So this is the bathroom. This is a toilet, and then we have a mirror and a sink, which is really nice. That's me over there. Hi guys. And yeah, so I do like the house, guys. It's really nice. And so then we go down here. This is the laundry room, which is a big laundry room, and we have storage there where you can hide all your soaps and stuff, like, which I really love. And we have a sink in here. I can wash my hair, and then it just goes. That's really nice. And this is just the HVAC and stuff like that. And then off here from the laundry room, this is the study room. This is like the office room. So it has an office. Those are at my job, they gave me, like, if I'm going to telework, that's my desk and my chair. And this is like the office room. So it's mainly for my husband, but I'm sure I'll be using it. But yeah, so this is really good. I love this house. Look at it. And then it opens to the deck. So that's beautiful. And then from here, so this is the lower level. I'm going to walk you guys upstairs. So upstairs, this is going upstairs. Is there a light here? So it's just like stairs. Wow. Wow, I'll be getting a workout. I'm not a big fan of carpet, but at this point, I really don't mind. Let me take off my shoes. I hate walking with shoes in the house. Okay, so where do I start? So from the stairs, look at this. You can look down. That's the family room. And then over here, we'll start here. So this is a bonus room. This is the room next to our bedroom, and this will be like a visitor's room. And we have a big closet. Whew, I'm tired. We have a big closet, and this is a nice room, guys. So we'll make this into a guest room. And then over here, we have a bathroom. And this will be the kids' bathroom. You have a toilet here, and you have their bathtub here. I love it. And you have enough storage here. These are functioning, so the kids can keep their products in there and all that stuff. So that's good. And then from the bathroom, the storage area for towels and everything. So that's good. And then we have the second bedroom, which is going to be for one of the kids as well. So that's for kid one, and my oldest and my youngest in here, Noah. This will be his room. Nice size room. Very beautiful, nice bay windows or big windows. And then we have his closet too. The same big closet. I love this house, guys. A big closet over here, very nice. And then we walk off to here, which I can look here and see the boys, and it looks down to the kitchen. Look at that. Over here, so this will be the guest room, my bad. So this is the guest room, the same size as my youngest room. And the same closet, big space, walking in closet. I don't know if you call this walking in, but big closet. A big closet, really nice. And then over here, this is just like a storage room for extra storage. And then we come into the master. So then we come into the master bedroom over here, guys. Look at this space. This is a big master bedroom. I really love it. I'm excited. And over here we have the bathroom. Okay, so over here, this is the master bedroom, bathroom, the toilet. We have a tub over here. I actually like that there's like a private area for the tub. Can we call this a soaking in tub? Maybe, but I can put like a stool there. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to decorate this space, guys. And then over here we have a double sink. Oh, how do you switch on the light in here? Okay, so there's not a lot of light over here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Good. Okay, so over here, guys, is a double sink, and I love that. I always love a double sink. My husband can have one corner, I can have my own. Although these are not functional, but these are. So I can put my mini products. And yeah, over here. And then we have a shower. A big shower. Walking in shower. This is beautiful. I love it. And then you walk out. So this is the master bedroom, guys. Oh, and then we have a walking in closet. I know, right? Oh my god, this is the walking in closet, guys. I really love the walking in closet. Over here, although it's not big enough for all my clothes, but we'll have to make it work. And then over here, some shelves where I think I'll make it work. I was thinking of putting like a big mirror there, but no, it won't work. It'll be too tight. I was thinking of adding like extra shelves there for shoes or something, but yeah. This is the master bedroom closet. Love, love, love the space. Yeah, so this is it, guys.